Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to find a Discord ID. Let's dive right in. First, open the Discord app on your phone or PC. Whether you're using an Android, iPhone, or PC, the process will be the same, so no worries there. Once you're in Discord, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your settings. Next, tap on the gear icon at the top right to open the settings menu. Scroll down to find the advanced section under the app settings and then click on it. Now, toggle on the developer mode settings. This will allow you to view and copy the Discord ID of users. After enabling developer mode, go back to your messages and find the specific profile you want the ID for. For example, let's say you want the ID for a user named the Rebel. Tap on their profile to open it. Once the profile is open, look at the top right corner for the three dots icon. Tap on it and you will now see the option to copy user ID. Now that you've copied the Discord ID, you can easily paste it anywhere you need it, whether you're sharing it with someone or using it for another purpose. You're all set. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to ring the bell icon for more quick tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.